Making money online is actually easier than you think. All it takes is a bit of know-how, some determination, and a spark of creativity. That's it. So in this video, I'm going to break down 5 methods that'll get you on the right track so you can start generating income today. Now, this first one is super simple, but many people overlook it. You need to leverage what you already know. Stop wasting time trying to learn some new hot skill just because everyone else is doing it. Stop following the pack and instead be the leader. Now, that doesn't mean you should never try to learn something new. What I mean by this is that you need to lean into what you are already good at. Trying to do everything at once is why 99% of people actually fail. You can't make money if half the shit you're putting out there is complete crap. You need to take your strengths and hone in on them, and then delegate the rest. The things you can't do, or the things you just don't know how to do. See, the issue is everyone thinks that they need to be the center of attention and they need to know everything, but that is not how a business works. Spending time on trying to perfect different areas in which you're just mediocre in is not going to make you better or your business successful. And it's not going to make you more money. It's just going to waste your time. So if you're a great designer, then focus on that. Let someone else handle the ads. If you're a researcher, go deep. Page 15 Google, dig into the data. But then hand off the rest to somebody else for them to execute it. Play to your strengths and stop trying to be average at 10 different things. Be a killer at one and build the rest around it. Trust me, that will blow you up more than anything. Now, the next one here is just as important, and it's about perfection. I like to call this one making ugly money. See, you need to stop worrying about making everything flawless. One of the biggest killers of momentum and money in general is chasing perfection. And here's the truth. You're never going to get it. You'll tweak, you'll fix, you'll doubt yourself, and then 5 years later, you'll still be sitting on that same idea that you just never launched. And I'm gonna give you a great example here. Back in '98, Bill Gates, he was on stage demoing Windows 98. He's hyped, world's watching. And what happens? Boom, blue screen of death, right in the middle of the live demo. Now, one would think, okay, well, they're going to delay that OS launch, but nope. They still launched it and they shipped it. And the same thing happened with Steve Jobs, except he didn't fail. See, that first iPhone didn't work. He had to tap through a specific sequence so it wouldn't crash during the live event. Anything else would have caused it. See, too many of you are sitting on your ideas waiting for them to be 100% perfect. Meanwhile, there are ugly websites, trash looking ads, and half-assed products making millions of dollars. All because the people behind it moved fast and cleaned up the mess later. You want to build around your customer, not your ego. Launch, get the feedback, fix, and then repeat. Next is don't copy, lead. I don't care how many shops or companies are out there selling the same thing. If all you're doing is taking what already works, changing the font, slapping your name on it, and hoping for sales, then trust me, you're already behind. That's why there's 20 million t-shirts on Etsy right now. And guess what? About only 19.9 million of them are actually selling. Everyone in that space is copying each other like it's some sort of group project. But here's the problem. When customers see 2 similar products side by side, they're always going to choose the one with more sales, better reviews, and a stronger brand. So if you're copying them, you're just helping them make more money. You're fueling their success more than your own. So instead, use what's out there as inspiration. Ask yourself, what's missing? What's frustrating people? What angle hasn't been hit yet? Learn what your competition isn't doing and then dominate it that way. Which leads me to the fourth one, solving annoying problems. This is where the real money is, not in some fancy idea or passion project. The best money comes from solving annoying little problems that people deal with every single day. Build a shortcut, make a simple tool, fix the things people hate doing, and make their life easier. That's it. This is how you become unstoppable. And here, I'm gonna give you a real quick one, all right? This is dumb, but see these glasses I'm wearing right now? They suck. They constantly slide down my face. Every 30 seconds, I'm pushing them back up like a damn idiot. Now, millions of people deal with this on a daily basis, and we all just kind of accept it. But then someone came along with this product called Nerd Wax. Literally, it's just wax that you put on your nose pads right here. You swipe it on, it creates friction, and your glasses stop slipping. It's super simple. But that company makes $2 million a year. Now, I don't use that because obviously I don't want wax on my damn glasses. It's fucking weird. But guess what? It works. And people buy it. That's the whole point. It solved a problem. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to find a gap. Make somebody else's life easier. Find the thing that annoys you or other people and then solve it. And the bigger the issue that you can solve, the more money you will make. Now, the last thing is use AI to 10x your output. And sure, this may sound obvious, but too many people feel that they need to be in control. AI is a tool to help you become better. It's not meant to replace you. It's designed to help you accomplish more in less time. It can help you with the ideas, business plans, even help you launch them all within hours. I mean, hell, I have a video that I shot showing me make an entire website in under 12 minutes, all with just basic prompting. The things you could do with AI will take any business you want to launch to a whole new level. And 90% of my life is automated, from business to scheduling, even down to dinner. It's all done for me. Well, AI doesn't do the cooking, my wife does, but you get the picture. You need to stop focusing on doing it all by yourself and instead start implementing things like this into your life in any capacity you can. You will not only get your work done quickly, but you'll accomplish your goals 10 times faster. And if you don't know computers or programs like AI, then just hire someone. Remember, method 1, leverage what you know. Every single person watching this right now, I know you have the ability to make money. You just need to stop standing in your own way. Work smarter, not harder. Use your strengths, automate your weaknesses, and move. You got this. I know you do. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment below. You know I love to hear from you. And thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.